apologize about our technical difficulties that we were having this morning with our webinar service. But we'll go ahead and begin. And so today we will be going over in our October 19th PZM Essentials webinar. And this is actually going to be a two-part webinar. So we're going to be reviewing county average yield performance per soil type. And in today's webinar, we'll go through our introduction, then navigate to the soils overview map, and then review the soils overview map, and then follow up with any questions anyone might have regarding this webinar. And then our second webinar, which is coming in our update this afternoon, which will be to analyze the financial performance per soil type within Profit Zone Manager. And before we begin, I want to introduce myself. My name is Dan Ba. I'm one of the Precision Business Planning Specialists here at AgSolver. Good morning, everyone. My name is Dan Ba, and I am one of the Precision Business Planning Specialists here at AgSolver. And I first want to apologize for the technical difficulties that we had this morning with our webinar service. But in our webinar today, which is our PZM Essentials webinar, it's actually going to be a two-part webinar. Today we're going to be covering the county average yield performance per soil types maps, where we'll navigate to the soils overview map, review soils overview, and then follow up with any questions anyone might have. And then in our second part, after our update today, we'll be reviewing the financial performance per soil type. So I do want to mention that we are in Q&A mode. So if you type in your question at the bottom there in the chat box below. But we'll hop into Profit Zone Manager now and review the soils overview report. So I'm going to minimize that. We're going to pull up the Ritchie field while that is loading. We'll select our actual production scenario 2015 when there was corn production on this field. And then we'll navigate to the soils overview map layer. So on how we do that, in the top right hand corner we have a map layers feature, and then at the very bottom we have our soils overview map, which shows our soil type within this field. And if we hover our mouse over that soil type within the field, you can see the soil type name along with the acreage amount and the county average yields for corn and soybeans for Fayette County in 2015. And depending on which county your field is in, you will see the representative yield and on both the corn and soybean side, and then we have the CSR2 value below there. We also have a soils data bank, which displays our soil type, our acreage amount of that soil type within the field, percentage amount, and then the county average corn yields, soybean yields, and then CSR2. And that was a brief overview of our soils data map and soils data bank. And in our second two-part series webinar, we'll be going over the financial performance per soil type within this field based off of 2015 actual production corn yield. So now I'd like to open it up for any questions that anyone might have regarding this webinar. not, I want to thank you for joining our October 19th webinar. Thank you.